here at Dotography, the world's first invisible photography exhibition. It's using nano-technology to create tiny, tiny, tiny photographs that are smaller in diameter than a human hair. That just gives a taste of the kind of amazing things children who are at school today might be working on in the future.